What's up, guys? Lou here, back with another video. Today is another installment in the hit series, Does It Suck? This, my friends, is a Bluetooth beanie, or toque, whatever you want to call it. This is a hat, a warm hat for those colder days and evenings that has Bluetooth built into it, speakers sewn inside. Connect it to your phone, listen to your music. What? No headphones necessary. There's a microphone. Answer phone calls on your hat. This is the future, my friends. You're living in it. I don't know, like under 20 bucks or around 20 bucks. Let's jump inside and maybe it sounds okay. You're getting earphones in your beanie. It's a bonus. Beanie bonus. Micro USB cable for charging this up. Yeah, of course. Makes sense. How heavy is it? Not too heavy. Not too heavy, actually. So, you know, it actually looks pretty normal, right? And here, this is where your micro USB plugs in. Just gotta kind of find the spot. Let me try it on first. Let me see just how comfy it is. I guess you could orient it whichever way. Orient or orientate? Whatever. Feel like Rocky. Ready for anything right now. See that right there? Unbelievable. Sound is gonna be key. I mean, they can't sound amazing, but this, I could be the guy on the airplane with the beanie on. Could be me. Probably not. You can put the hood up over top. Can't do that with, look, now I'm definitely Rocky. Don't forget the uppercut. Just when you were relaxing, you had the hands up. You were looking for the overhand, but I hit you from underneath. Don't forget it. Way comfier than I expected. I mean, maybe you wanna hit the slopes? I had something called the GT Snow Racer. Jack, did you have one? GT Snow Racer! And that's how you got it done on the hill. 2 snow racers coming down. Some people didn't survive. You know, we had to leave some guys there. A couple men down. It's just the way it goes. Rough and tumble life in the Great White North. Yes! There's a light. Whoa, I am excited. I told you I was using the BlackBerry. I'm doing it. Oh, I hear it already. Yeah. Plus minus is to switch tracks. Volume is essentially going to be controlled by your device. You know, they're not fully covering your ears, right? It's as they're sitting on top. So like, there's no kind of isolation happening. Very little isolation. It's kind of more like as if you've got music on in an ambient type of fashion. You're on public transit, you're taking the subway or the streetcar, the bus, whatever, and you got your podcast on, and like maybe you want a little bit of spatial awareness still when you're out and about. I like this. It's not that loud, okay? To be clear. I'm gonna try switching tracks again on this thing. Here. I mean, it's not gonna blow your brains out, but just a little motivation. You're out on that jog. You could even do one ear. See that? So I could be having a conversation. Hey, Jack, I'd like to have a coffee, please. I don't want any sugar in it. I mean, you gotta kind of curb your expectations based on what you're working with here. It's like a beanie with earphones. I think it delivers on what I wanted it to deliver on. I'm wireless right now, my head is warm. You only feel like a regular hat. You seriously don't even realize that there's headphones in here. Get out and jog, work out, or if you're like me, throw some uppercuts. Rocky 5. How many Rockies are there? 12? 17. Alright, that's it. Doesn't suck. Check out the link in the description if you want to see it for yourself. Maybe you want to pick one up. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I will catch you on the next episode. Later, guys.